So good morning everyone, welcome to EAPCET crash course maths classes. So in the previous class, that is Sunday's class, we started with integration. Now we will be continuing with integration and we will be covering the remaining concepts and also the questions pertaining to that, and also we will be doing EAPCET PYQs pertaining to those concepts. In the previous class also we did some previous year questions from EAPCET pertaining to integration chapter. So till now we have started with what are the topics we have covered: trigonometry, limits and continuity, differentiability, differentiation, application of derivatives, and integration. We have done the introduction and also some concepts. First let us revise the concepts which we have done when it comes to integration. So we started with saying that integration is the reverse process, and then we learned some formulas. Okay, here I wrote one more formula, that is integral of, what is that? Integral of log x is x log x minus x plus c. This you have to remember. No need to solve and get it. You have to remember x log x minus x plus c. Like this we learnt various formulas. Okay, we revised certain formulas, and also this is inverse, and I told you what to remember and why this is cos h inverse of x. Before that I told you why this is minus. Okay, because see, sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to what? Pi by 2. So 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse of x plus c, but it is also equal to minus cos inverse, because why? Sin inverse of x can be written as what? Pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. So this minus cos inverse of x plus pi by 2, this can be written as what? Entire thing can be written as one constant. So minus cos inverse of x plus c, I can write it. So this is the reason. Same thing goes for tan inverse of x is equal to minus cot inverse of x plus c. Okay, good morning Sanvi. Okay, do share with your friends. So see here, this is the way we will be going about when it comes to inverse functions. Next, this is hyperbolic, and I told you not that important, but you have to remember mod x. Mod x integral is what? X mod x by 2, but integral of mod x by x is what? Mod x, because differentiation of mod x is what? Mod x by x. So reverse is mod x. Okay, next thing. So some properties we learnt, and also I told this is highly important property, that is integral of f dash of x by root of f of x is what? 2 times root f of x plus c, and integral of f dash of x by f of x is what? Log f of x plus c. Log f of x plus c. Similar to that, I also told you fx to the power of n, and if you are having f dash of x, so the answer is what? F of x plus n plus 1 plus c. Correct na? For example, if you take like tan square x into secant square x dx is what? So tan x derivative is what? Secant square x. So this can be written as what? Tan cube x by 3 plus c. Correct? So this is of that form. Okay, clear? Now, so some standard forms I told you. Okay, some standard formulas, 9 standard formulas you have to remember. I told you, right? So out of this I told you how to remember. Suppose we are having 1 by root of, if you are having the question 1 by root of, like this we are having. So what are the 3 possibilities that can be there? Okay, one is what? A square minus x square, square root of. Next is what? A square plus a square. Next is what? X square minus a square. For these corresponding formulas I told you how to remember. I will not repeat again. Okay, these formulas you know how to remember. Correct? Next, similarly another form can be 1 by q. There will not be square root. For this also there is 3 possibilities. Instead of square root you will have a square minus x square. This is what? A square plus x square. Another one is a square x square minus a square. These are the 3 possibilities. These 9 formulas we are dividing into 3 blocks. 3, 3, 3, that's all. Okay. Then if it is only this one, root of q. So this can be what? A square minus x square, square root numerator. Next is what? X square minus a square numerator. What is the square root? X square plus a square within the square root. These are the 3 possibilities. Correct na? These are the 3 possibilities when it comes to numerator along with the square root. Okay, these 9 standard formulas you got to remember, and you have studied even for your board examinations. Correct? And I also told you some substitution which you should remember. Okay, some substitution which you have to remember, but before that I told you integration by parts. Okay, which you will be using isolate rule for the determining what? Which is the first function and second function. Suppose integral of u means u is what? Determined by isolate, that is inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential functions. Correct? No? All of you focusing? Ritika, Gayatri, Shravanti, Focusing, Sirisha. Okay, so this is the order which you should know, and I told you very important formula when it comes to by parts. Okay, by parts, but before that let me tell you about substitution. About substitution I need to tell you. I need to tell you about substitution, just a minute. Okay, let me write it. So see here, substitution if we talk about, see here, observe all of you, if it is square root of a square minus x square, square root of a square minus x square, we will take what? X is equal to what? X is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, right? If x is equal to a square minus x square. Suppose if x is equal to, suppose we are having root of a minus x, root of a minus x. So instead of writing a sin theta, we will write it as what? X is equal to a sin square theta. Okay, because why? Here x square is not there, we will make square of what? This one, sin square theta. This you remember. Next thing, same thing when it goes to, see here, x square minus a square, we will put what? X is equal to this, I can write it as or a cos square theta. Correct na? Cos square theta. So x is equal to what? A secant theta. Correct na? X square minus x square means what? X is equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. X is equal to a cosecant theta. This is the substitution we will be doing. But if it is square root of x minus a, square root of x minus a, here this is of same form. What we will do is, instead of writing x is equal to a secant theta, we will square it here. X is equal to, don't square a, okay, x is equal to a secant square theta. So x is equal to a secant square theta. Okay, x is equal to a secant square theta. So this is what? X is equal to a cosecant square theta. Depending on the question, we will be doing it. Correct na? Depending on the question, we will be doing it. Now when we are having x minus a by x plus a, okay, such type of questions, what we will be doing is what? Put x is equal to a cos 2 theta or a cos theta. Okay, double angle formula or half angle formula, depending on the question. Depending on the question, you will be using it. Or if you are having, okay, what is it that we are having? If you are having a minus x by x or x by a minus x, okay, this a minus x is there, what I should write? X, what I should put the value? X, what I should put the value? A sin square theta. X is what here? See, a minus x is what? Square root or not square root, doesn't matter. So suppose let me put square root. So x is equal to what I should put? A sin square theta, a cos square theta. Your name, I forgot your name. Sharan, understanding? So we have to put what? X is equal to a sin square theta, a cos square theta. This is substitution which you have to remember. This is enough when it comes to substitution. So you have learnt in your board exams also integration by trigonometric substitution. In NCERT it is there, separate unit itself, separate exercise. So that is what you will be doing here. Correct? Next, when it comes to integration by parts, okay, integration by parts, what you will do? When it comes to integration by parts, this is the formula which we will be using, but we will not be using what? The long method. Suppose I told you 3 shortcut tricks, that is what? E power x into x square, that is e power x into some polynomial f of x, then e power x into sin x or cos x, e power x into trigonometric. Next is what? Polynomial into trigonometric. Suppose x cube into what is this? Sin x if I am having. Okay, so the tricks are what? E power x into x square. That means what? First we will write what? E power x as it is, we will write it. Okay, then we will write the function, the second function I will write it as it is. That is what I will write, x square as x square. Here I should write what? Plus. Next comes what? Minus. Here it should be what? First you write the function as it is. You will write the function what? As it is. Next you will do what? Differentiation. You will write what? 2x plus minus plus. This will be what? 2. You have to differentiate till you get 0. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Directly you can get what? E power x into x square minus 2x plus 2. That is the answer. Okay, got it. Now this is the way you will solve when it comes to e power x into x square. No matter what, let it be any polynomial, e power x into some polynomial, let it be x cube minus x power 4 something. Okay, say first what you should do, e power x into, write down the same function. Next minus sign, okay, differentiate, first differentiate, then second differentiate, like that, plus sign, like that, it goes on. So that is the formula we are having here. Here what we are having, e power x into f of x dx is what? E power x into f of x plus f of x minus f dash of x, f double dash of x minus f triple dash of x, it goes on. Okay, till where? Till the question ends. That's all. That is till we get 0. Suppose we are having e power ax f of x. That means suppose you are having e power 2x minus 2x into some function like x cube, something like this. E power ax f of x. Same thing you have to write what? E power ax. Okay. By a. Why? Because e power ax integral is what? Integral is what? E power ax by a. E power ax by a. So this will be a. Okay. E power ax by a. Okay. This will become what? F of x. First thing you will write as it is. First function you will write it as it is. Minus f dash of x by a plus f double dash of x by a square. See, first order derivative just a, second order a square, third order derivative a cube, fourth order derivative a power 4, say nth order derivative a power n. It goes on. Okay, this will be what? Minus f triple dash of x by a cube. It goes on like this. Okay, this I have told you in the previous class itself. Okay, just I am revising it. Now, when we talk about this one, e power x into sin x, e power x into sin x, so we will use the formula, that is the shortcut, that is suppose we are having integral of e power x sin bx, e power x sin bx. What is the formula that we will be using? E power ax by a square plus b square. What is it? A square plus b square into what is it? A sin bx. See here, a sin bx. But sin x means minus will come. Okay, minus, what is it? Minus b cos bx. That's all. Plus c. B cos bx plus c. B cos bx plus c. Same thing if I talk about e power ax cos bx. This will be e power ax by a square plus b square. It is the same. Nothing changes. By a square plus b square, it is the same. Next, what it will become, Akshaya? It will become what? A into cos bx plus, here it is. What will change? Instead of sin, what will come? Cos. A cos. See here, a cos. Here it is a sin. A cos will come. Here it is what? A sin. Here it is a cos. But there it was minus, but here it is plus. Here it is what? What? Minus. Here it is plus. So this will be plus. Next, what is left out? B sin bx plus c. That's all. What is in front? Write that first. E power a. This is what? A sin bx. This is what? A cos bx. That you write first. That's all is the formula. Understanding, Siri? Understanding, Sharan? Got it? Okay. That's all you have to remember. Now, anyways, these things we have done. So see here, they are giving integral of x power n into log x dx. But one more thing is there, right? This one. What is that? One more thing. That is polynomial into trigonometric. Polynomial into trigonometric, how to do? How to do polynomial into trigonometric? What did I tell you? Srinidhi, Akshaya, Siri, Sai Kirti. Just what we have to do is x cube integral of sin x dx. Okay, x cube into sin x dx. Okay, if they give like this, first thing is what? You will take this as u. You will take this as v. Here first thing is, for this function you have to do differentiation. But first, for the first time what you are writing, write it as it is. Write u as it is. So x cube. Integral of sin x is what? First you have to integrate this. Minus cos x. Okay, minus cos x. So this is plus. Don't worry about this sign. This is plus. Next should come what? Minus. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Integral of minus cos x is what? Not minus cos x. Integral of cos x is what? Sin x. But minus is there, this will become minus sin x. Okay. Minus is there, this will become minus sin x. Here minus means this will become what? Plus. See, observe here. Focus on this plus and minus. Plus, minus, plus, minus. It goes like this. Instead, whatever minus plus is there, don't worry. Okay. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Instead, whatever minus is there, don't worry about that. That you have to write it in bracket itself. Now, differentiation of this is what? First time when you are writing, write the function as it is. From the second time onwards, you will differentiate. Okay, same like e power x. You write e power x, write the function. Then from second time and onwards, what you will do? Differentiation. Same thing here also. Understanding, Gayatri? Sai Kirti. Understanding? Saiti. Okay, so this will become what? This is, don't worry about minus, this will become 6x. 3x square only we should focus, not minus. So this will become 6x. So integral of sin x is what? Minus cos. Minus into minus will become plus cos x. Okay, plus is there here, minus. Derivative of 6x is what? 6. 6 into Integral of sin cos x is what? Sin x. This will become sin x. So this is the answer. So finally what you will do, you can multiply with this minus signs. Now finally this will become what? Minus x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x 6x cos x minus 6 sin x plus c, that's all. Okay, plus c is the answer. Anusha getting it? Sirisha, Liharika, Srinidhi understood? Sharan, Harsha, Nikhil, Nishit got it? Neha, Sravanti got it? Okay, fine. Understood this question? How to do? So this is another trick I told you. So first thing is what? Don't do the mistake. First thing is the polynomial, write it as it is for the first time. Understood, no, Ritika? First thing what you should do? Polynomial we should write it as it is. From second time onwards we should differentiate. Correct na? Vaishnavi, second time onwards we should differentiate. Okay. But first you have to write as it is. Okay. So let us go to the next thing. Now see here, this is very important formula. For everything you are telling important, you will tell, I know, but it is important only. Whatever we are teaching, it is important only. Why not well? Okay or not well? Okay, fine. Well or not well doesn't matter, you have to listen everyone. Okay, fine. So this is what? Integral of x power n log x dx. Integral of x power n log x dx. Okay, integral of x power n log x dx. Suppose you take integral of x power n. It is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Log x is there, forget about log x. Within the bracket write minus 1 by n plus 1. Whatever log x is there, write down log x inside. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, log x minus 1 by n plus 1. So if I give integral of x power 6 log x, okay, what we can write? X power 7 by 7 minus 1 by 7, this is log x. Directly you will be able to write it. Okay. So suppose I give integral of x log x. Integral of x log x, tell me Harsha, you tell me what I should write? What I should write? X log x, look at the formula. X I can write it as what? X I can write it as what? Wait, x can be written as what? N plus 1. N is what here? 1. X to the power of 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So x power 2. Just wait. Divided by 2. This is log x minus what I should write, Harsha? What I should write? Same thing, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Same thing I should write what? 1 by 2. So you take up some questions, you people. What I'll say is, you write down like x cube log x, do it by yourself. X power minus 4 log x. Okay, x power 5 log x. Please take up these questions for yourself, for practice. Okay, for your practice you write down. Okay, for your practice you write down. My practice is done already. You practice, you write down, that's all. My practice is done now, Navneeta. You have to practice, so you write down. That's all. Sanvi, you also write down. Don't just sit and watch. You have to write. It's not a movie here. Nikhil, tell me formula. E power ax sin x sin bx. What is the formula? Ax sin bx. What is the formula? E power ax sin bx. You didn't learn.
E power ax sin e power ax by a square.
That's all. Then within the bracket. Gayatri, you tell me what is the formula? E power x sin bx integral. Baleda, okay, problem. Okay. Vaishnavi, you tell me e power x sin bx.
E power x by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos
Because bx. Okay, good. Vaishnavi garu చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు వర్ణల గారు చెప్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పవర్ ఏఎక్స్ కాస్ బిఎక్స్ చెప్పండి. ఓకే, సాయికీర్తి టెల్ మీ. మైనస్ రాదు అక్కడ. కాస్ ఎక్స్ అంతే ప్లస్ b sin bx, that's all. Okay, this is important, I am telling, because questions will come direct. Okay, now let us look at some other formulas. So they have given, okay, shall I wipe this one, this questions you have written, no? Okay, fine. So see here, e power x, this is highly important, e power x f of x plus f dash of x, e power x f of x plus f dash of x is what? E power x f of x plus c, e power x f of x plus c, e power x f of x plus f dash of x is equal to what? E power x f of x plus c. Okay, return this formula is very important. Apart from this, from here we can derive one more thing. Okay, if you are having integral of e power x, okay, e power x into f of x minus f double dash of x, f of x minus f double dash of x dx. If you are having e power x f of x minus f double dash of x dx, if you are having, the answer is integral of e power x, the answer is what? The answer is e power x f of x minus f dash of x plus c. From grandparent to parent child it came. Okay, so child and grandparent are there, child and parent we are connecting here. Okay, child and grandparent gives us child and parent. Okay, so integral of e power x f of x minus minus will come here, please remember, minus f double dash of x dx is what? E power x f of x minus f dash of x plus c. Understood, Bhavani? You have to remember this formula. Clear? So next thing is what? If they have given the formula like e power kx, k times f of x minus plus f dash of x, e power kx plus into k times f of x plus f dash of x, the answer is what? E power kx f of x plus c. Suppose I give the example, if you are having e power 2x into 2 times sin x plus cos x, 2 times sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, here k is what? K value is what? Tell me, Harsha, what is the k value here? 2. Good. K value is 2, correct na Nishid, Sharan? So k value is 2. The formula says what? E power k x f of x plus c, e power k x f of x plus c. So is it of this form? 2 times f of x plus f dash of x, sin x derivative is cos x. So I can write it as what? E power 2x into what is this? F of x is what? Sin x plus c. That's all is the answer. Like this they will give. So same thing they have given here. Here k value they have taken it as what? Minus. This should become minus, this should become plus, this should become plus. So see here, e power minus 1x is equal to what? K times, k is what? Minus f of x plus f dash of x is equal to what? Plus e power minus kx, that is what? E power kx into f of x plus c. Here k is what? Minus 1. K is what? Minus 1. Okay, no need to get confused. Here the formula is little wrong with respect to signs. Understood na? Clear? Got it, this one? Next, the formula is what? F of x plus x into f dash of x, f of x plus x into f dash of x. Suppose I write tan x plus x secant square x, integral of tan x plus x secant square x dx. So here this is what? F of x, this is f dash of x. So the answer is what? X f of x plus c, that is what? X tan x, x tan x plus c, x tan x plus c. Clear? X tan x plus c. Got it, everyone? Understanding? Now this we are done. Same, these formulas I have already discussed. Now let us go to our topic. So if the given integrals are of the form, okay, from these steps till now what we done, you will get 2 questions. From now what we will be doing, from there you will be getting 2 questions. Out of 4 questions you will be getting 2 questions. This is important. Okay, until then you can put on the AC for some time. Sir, slides provide cheyandi. Okay, you drop your contact to this number, we will provide the slides. మీరే అడగలే స్లైడ్స్, ఎవరు స్లైడ్స్ కావాలా ఇది? ఓకే, యూ నోట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. ఓకే, యువర్ ట్యాబ్, నో యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ స్లైడ్స్, నో సిమ్. ఓకే, వైఫై is there, no, you can mail, no problem. For you people I will provide here only. You want means you drop your message to me, I will send to you. You also I will send to you slides. So see, they are given what? If the given integral is of the form 1 by px plus q into square root of this one. Okay, what is this? If they give, see here, 1 by, this is what? Px plus q is of which form? Linear form. Okay, this you have done in your board exams, 7 marks. That much steps you should not do here. That much step you are doing means you will be solving only integration question, not other questions. So this will become what? 1 by linear into what is this? Quadratic. 1 by linear into quadratic. Okay, here what is linear to the power of something, here also linear into, see, linear by linear into some quadratic. So that time you should put what? Px plus q is equal to what? You should take it as 1 by t. You have to take what? Px plus q is equal to what? 1 by t. Px plus q, you should take it as what? 1 by t. Clear? When you are getting 1 by linear into quadratic, okay, you have to take what? Px plus q is equal to 1 by t. Now suppose if you are getting 1 by quadratic into square root of quadratic, that time you should take what? X is equal to 1 by t. You should take what? X is equal to 1 by t. You should take x is equal to 1 by t. See, usually you will be getting this form highest. Mostly they will be asking these questions. Questions have come from here. Apart from this, mostly they have given questions from the first form. So this form is important. For that, what you should do? Px plus q is equal to what? 1 by t. But here sometimes they may give, okay, very rare, 1 by quadratic into square root of quadratic. 1 by quadratic into square root of quadratic is what? X is equal to 1 by t. Okay, Narasimha Rao, do share with your friends, then I will share the slides. You share, then I will share. Okay, Sanvi, same thing for you. Okay, sharing is caring. If you share, I will share. That's all. Fine. Okay, 1 by quadratic into square root of quadratic. So that is what? X is equal to, you will take it as what? 1 by t. You people won't put. Please write this down, important. Please write this down. Done everyone, please write down fast. Okay, done no? If you are done, please tell me if you are done. Okay, done no? Px plus q is equal to 1 by t. If it is 1 by linear combined with quadratic, if you are getting Px plus q is equal to 1 by t. If you are getting quadratic only, you have to take what? X is equal to 1 by t. Please remember this. Then tell me what I am telling. Repeat. Bhavani, you tell me what we should do. If they are given what?
When there is linear into
Quadratic, we should do what?
Px plus q equals to 1 by t.
1 by t. Okay.
When there is given
Ah.
quadratic square root of quadratic, x equals to
1 by t. This you have to remember. Okay. Next, if they give linear only, there is no quadratic. But within the square root, if they give linear, within the square root linear, outside linear, if they give like this, linear square root of linear L1 L2, linear square root of L2, or square root of L1, this is L, or square root L1 square root of L2, like this. If they give like this, linear only they are giving within the square root. So definitely we have to remove the square root. That time px plus q, instead of taking t, it will be easy if you take it as what? T square. That time you should do what? Px plus q is equal to what? T square. Remember like this. Okay. So just remember like this. Px plus q is equal to what? T square. Understanding Akshaya, Liharika, Srinidhi, Sharan, Harsha? Okay. Px plus q is equal to what? T square. Okay. Px plus q is equal to T square. When you go to hostel, Sharan, Harsha, if BPC people speak to you, just speak to them in this language. Okay. Then they will not come near you. Okay. Speak to them like this. Okay. Px plus q is equal to what? T square. You people also can do. But don't fight, that's all. Okay. Px plus q is equal to what? T square. Okay. Nishit, Nikhil, you can, while traveling on the road you do. But if they throw stones at you, don't ask me. Okay. Px plus q is equal to what? T square. Okay, clear? Write down first. What happened? I have to go. Okay. Done? Okay, Sanvi, that's good. Okay. We'll solve a question based on this. So see here, they have given integral of 1 by x plus 100 square root of x plus 99. First tell me this is of which form, Akshaya? Which form? This is a quadratic here. Check చేయండి, quadratic ఉందా, x square x cube అలా ఉందా? లేదు కదా. It is x only means it is what? Linear. So linear into linear. Linear means what we should take? Whatever is within this one, we will take it as what? This is within the square root, that we will take it as t square. Correct na? We will take it as what? T square. So this is what? X plus 99, we will take it as what? T square. X plus 99, we will take it as t square. This is one thing. Next what we will do? Here we are having x plus 100. Here we are having x plus 99. We can do that also. Instead of that, what we can do is, here 100 is there. Can I give one here? So I can do what? X plus 100. If I give here also I should do. If I give to her, for her also I should give. Correct na? Otherwise she will feel bad. So t square plus 1. Okay. X plus 100 is equal to what? T square plus 1. X plus 100 is equal to t square plus 1. Now x plus 99 is equal to t square. This function you differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This will become what? D by dx of x is what? 1. Okay, or I can write it as dx. This will be 2t into dt. 2t into dt. So this is what? Let us substitute. Instead of dx, what I should write here? 2t into dt. Okay. X plus 100 is what? T square plus 1. That's it. T square plus 1. Okay. Square root of this is what? Square root of t square. What will happen? T will come out. T. 2 t cancel. I'll have what? 2 into t square plus 1 dt. T square plus 1 is what? Tan inverse of t. But 2 is there, so this will become what? I can write here 2 times tan inverse of 1 by a. What you are telling? 1 by a tan inverse of t, right? But here 1 by a means a value is what? 1 only. So we will not write 1 by a. We will leave it. What you are telling is correct. See, if it is 1 by t square plus a square, we will write it as what? 1 by a tan inverse of t by a. But here a is what? 1 only. Correct na? So we will not write it. So this is what? 2 times tan inverse of t plus c. So t is what? T is what? T is c. X plus 99 is t square. We want t means, don't write x plus 99. This is root of x plus 99. Okay, understood? T square is this. T is what? Square root of this. So this will become 2 times tan inverse of root of x plus 99 plus c. That's all. Simple, no? Otherwise it will take lot of time if you do the normal method. Okay, if you do the normal method completing the square and all, it will take lot of time. Okay, so this is not 7 mark question in your exam. It is 1 mark question, so you have to do in a very short way. Understood na everyone? This one clear? Got it? Okay. Now before going to next forms, I would like to tell you one more important form. So if they are given the question like the type, okay, if they are given first thing 1 by x power n into x power n plus 1 to the power of 1 by n dx. This is one form. Okay, one more form is 1 by x power n. This is one form. This is 1 by x into x power n. Another form is, second one is integral of 1 by x into x power n plus 1, x power n plus 1 dx. This is what is given. Okay, this is what is given. Now how to solve such type of question? N can be any value. Okay, n can be any value. So see here, 1 by x power n into x power n plus 1 to the power of 1 by n. This is what is given. So whenever you get like this, to the power of 1 by n means n can be 2, n can be 3, n can be 4, anything, that is within the square root, cube root, anything. Okay, that time what you should do is highest power value, that is highest power, that you should bring it outside. Suppose x square x power 4 is there, what you should bring it outside? X power 4. x power 4, x power 6 is there. What you should bring it outside? X power 6. Okay. While bringing it out, you should make note of the 1 by n also. Okay. If it is square root, divided by 1 by 2. If it is this one, divided by 1 by 2 means to the power. So see here, what I can do here? 1 by x power n. If I bring this x power n outside, this will become what? X power n to the power of 1 by n. To the power of 1 by n. This will become what? 1 plus, if I am bringing it out, here I have to divide. So 1 plus 1 by x power n. Okay. Suppose example, see here, if I am having 1 by x square into x square plus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 is there. Okay. What I should bring it outside? X square. So this will become what? 1 by x square. If I bring x square outside, this will be x square to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x square to the power of 1 by 2. That is what I have done. Here I forgot. Okay. 1 by n will be there. Okay. Understood. This is what we are doing. If they give question like this, you have to do it like this. Now what will happen here? Definitely this and this will cancel. Now what we are having? So 1 by x power n into x. Into x is what? 1 by x power n into x. X power 1. X power n plus 1. X power n plus 1. This will become 1 by x power n plus 1. This should become correct. Now what I can do here? X power n plus 1 by x power n to the power of 1 by n. To the power of 1 by n. Now what I can do? For each of this, I can put 1 by n. Suppose we are having 2 square by 3 square to the power of 1 by 2. I can write it as what? 2 square to the power of 1 by 2, 3 square to the power of 1 by 2. Correct? No? So same thing I can apply here. If I apply to denominator, this will become what? X. This will become what? X. So this will become x. I can send it upside. This I can send it upside, no? Okay. So this will become what? 1 by which one? What will cancel? See, just wait. So this x power n will come outside, means this will become, I will write it here, x power n to the power of 1 by n divided by what is this? X power n plus 1 divided by what is this? X power n plus 1. Okay, this is what we are having, to the power of 1 by n. Here this n I can cancel. Understanding the steps? Okay. So this can be written as what? Finally I can write this as, okay, x by x power n plus 1 plus into x power n plus 1 to the power of 1 by n. Okay. Write this down till here, I will tell you. Up till this second step you write down. Up till this second step only. Up till the second step please write down. This one no need to take x power n to the top. Okay. Why? Because directly we will get t, we can take denominator as t. We can take denominator as t. So don't take LCM here. Keep it as it is. Now what we are having finally? So forget about this. This is what example I told you, leave it. This example, if you want you can write down, otherwise leave it. Okay. Now what we are having? Observe here. All of you understood till here, everyone? Everyone got it till here? Now what we are having? 1 by x power n plus 1 into what is this? 1 by x power n to the power of 1 by n. This, is it wrong if I write it like 1 by x power n plus 1, okay, x power n plus 1 divided by 1 by, this is what? 1 plus x power n to the power of 1 by n. Is it wrong if I write it like this? I can write, no? See this x power n I can take it, this I can write it in the denominator again. I can write it like this, I can take it up. Suppose it means to say that, suppose I am having 1 by x square to the power of 1 by 2, here I am having x cube. I can write it as what? 1 by x cube divided by 1 by x square to the power of 1 by 2. I am writing it like this. That's all I am doing. Okay, nothing changing. This I am taking to the top, this one I am writing below. If I take it up again, it will become the same. Okay, so that is what I am doing here now. So now we are having like this. So this is what? Integral of dx. From this only we got here. So integral of what is this? Dx. Now whatever is in the denominator, okay, 1 by 1 plus x, 1 by x power n, take it as t. You will take it as what? T. So this is what? take t is equal to what? 1 plus 1 by x power n. X power n. So dt will become what? Dt will be equal to what is this? Minus x minus n by x power n plus 1 dx. This formula we told now in differentiation. I told you, if it is integral of 1 by x to the power, this will become what? Minus 1 by x square. If it is integral of 1 by x square, this is what? Minus 2 by x cube. If it is integral of 1 by x power 99, this is what? Minus 99 by x power 100. Similarly, if it is integral of 1 by x power n, this is minus n by x power n plus 1. That is what I wrote here. That is what I wrote here. Understanding, Saikirti, why I wrote this? Vanilla, understood why I wrote this? Neha, Shirisha, Shravani, Sravanti, understood? So same thing I have written here. Now look at this. If I send this minus n this side, this will become what? Minus 1 by n dt is equal to 1 by x power n plus 1 dx. Now look at this. 1 by x power n plus 1 dx is nothing but equal to what? Minus 1 by n dt. Minus 1 by n dt. Now this one, suppose let me write this as equation 1. This equation, or just write it as 1. This 1 will become what? 1 will look like this. So this will become, this implies, this will become what? Minus 1 by n dt, will write it inside. Integral of 1 by, what is this? T to the power of 1 by n. T to the power of what? 1 by n. So t to the power of 1 by n, if I take it to the top, minus, so this will become what? T to the power of minus 1 by n is there as it is. Okay, integral of t to the power of minus 1 by n dt. So this will become what? Minus 1 by n. I am now integrating. Now I am integrating this. So this will become what? T power minus 1 by n plus 1 by minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, minus 1 by n plus n means this is n minus 1 by n. So this will become what? Minus 1 by n. Okay, into t power n minus 1. Correct na? N minus 1 by n. This will also be n minus 1 by n. N minus 1 by n. This sign and this sign I can cancel. Here minus sign is there. I can make it as what? 1 minus n. This minus, if I send it inside, this will become what, Srinidhi? 1 minus n. Liharika, correct na? This will become 1 minus n. This will go up. This will go up. Correct na? This will go to the top, no? Go to the top or not? It will not go. It will remain in the denominator only. So minus, if I send it this side, this denominator will become what? 1 minus n. Numerator will be t power n minus 1 by n plus c. That's all. So but t is what? But t is what? This is the value. 1 plus, this will become, I will write here, 1 plus 1 by x to the power of, what is this? N minus 1 by n. Okay, n minus 1 by n divided by 1 minus n. This is what we are having. Okay, so for this, if they give it like this, you have to remember only this one. I told you how it comes, but you don't have to know how it comes. You just have to remember this. So for this, the answer is what? The answer is 1 plus 1 by x to the power of n to the power of n minus 1 by n by 1 minus n plus c. This is the answer you have to remember. So you are getting it like this: 1 plus 1 by x power n by to the power of n minus 1 by n by 1 minus n. N can be any value. N can be any value. Shall I show the question from this now? Shall we see the question from this, which we have already solved? Okay, but I didn't tell you this form. Already we have solved this question. Do you remember, Gayatri? We have solved this question or not? Okay, her voice is a problem. You, Sai Kirti, have you solved this type of question or not? See here, I will show you. Look at this, same thing, x power n into 1 plus x power n to the power of n. So see here, this is what, n is what here? 2, correct na? Here n is 2, this is integral of 1 by x power n into 1 plus x power n to the power of 1 by n. This is what? 2, this is 2, this is also 2. So this one I can write it as what? Integral of 1 by x square into what is this? 1 plus x square to the power of 1 by 2. What is the answer? The answer is 1 plus 1 by x to the power of, what is this? N minus 1 by n. 2 minus 1 by n is what? 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So that will be 1 by 2 divided by, what is this? 1 minus n. 1 minus 2 is what? Minus. So this will be what? Minus into what is this? Square root of x square plus 1 by square root of x square is x. So the answer is what? This one. Simple. We applied the formula. Here n is what? Here n is 2. So the formula is what? 1 plus 1 by x to the power of n to the power of n minus 1 by n divided by what is it? 1 minus n. That's all. Okay, this formula please remember. Why? Because here they have given square, you will be able to do easily. But if they give x power 6 to the power of 6th root or cube, same thing. Okay, understood? Understood everyone? This formula? Okay, let us go to the next form. Let us go to the next type. Okay, let us go to the next type that is there and how to approach that. Clear with this? Already 12:10. Okay. Look at this. What is this second type? 1 by x into x power n plus 1. Sharan, following? Any difficulty? Are you able to understand? Pace is fine. Since you're a new student, I'm asking you. Should I go fast or should I go slow? Okay, no? Fine. So this is what? Integral of 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx. Okay, x power n plus 1 dx. So here also what we will do? Same thing, x power n you take it outside. If I take x power n outside, this will become what? 1 by x power n plus 1. I am writing directly. X power n plus 1. This is what? 1 plus 1 by x power n dx. So this can be written as what? 1 by x power n plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by x power n dx. Correct? So this can be written as what? Here same thing, denominator will take it as t. Most cases you will take denominator as t. See, integration by substitution, that is an exercise you have in NCERT. You people don't have NCERT, correct? No, in NCERT we have what? Integration by substitution. If it is log x, take it as t. If it is denominator, maximum cases take it as t. And wherever possible, take common, bracket will come, whatever is in the bracket, take it as t. So see here, this is what? Here bracket is there, I can take this as t. Denominator take it as t. So t if I take it as 1 plus 1 by x to the power of n, what is this if you are having? Now dt will become what? Minus n by x power n plus 1 dx. Now I want dt. So this will be what? Minus 1 by n dt is equal to what? 1 by x power n plus 1 dx. This is what? 1 by x power n plus 1, no, dx. So this will become what? Integral of minus 1 by n, what is this? Dt by t. So dt by t, that is what? Log t. So this will become what? Log t minus 1 by n, what is this? Log t plus c, that is minus 1 by n, what is this? Log t is what? Log of 1 plus 1 by n. 1 plus 1 by n I can write it as what? 1 plus x by n, x to the power of n by plus 1 by x power n. You can keep it like this. Take the LCM or keep it like this. That's all. Okay. That's all. Clear? This is okay. The previous question, the previous form was very important. This one you can directly get. But the most important thing is highest power you have to remove it outside and adjust with the numerator. Take that as what? What? Take that as common here and take it, and denominator take it as t. Understood? Denominator take it as t. See, these two forms you write it by yourself, try by yourself when you are free. Okay, when you are free, try by yourself, you will get it. Just some integration you have to learn. Okay, so that you work. Okay, so apart from this, let us go to the other forms. Let us go to the other forms which are highly important. Forms. So see here, just a minute. So the new forms what we learnt? Linear and quadratic. So that time what? Px plus q, take it as t. Linear you take it as t. If they give quadratic and quadratic, take t is equal to or x is equal to 1 by t. If they give linear and linear, px plus q is equal to what? T square. That's all. Okay, now let us go to where we are having some constant combined with what? Trigonometric. If we are having integral of 1 by a plus b sin 2x, you have seen such questions. 1 by 4 plus 3 cos x, something like this. Integral of 1 by a plus b cos 2x. Okay, or a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Then put tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t. This type of questions you have done. Linear, 1 by linear. Put tan x is equal to t. put tan x is equal to t, you have to do it like this. Okay, if they have given what? Double angle formula, tan x is equal to t. Half angle formula here, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, I will show you. See here, if you put tan x is equal to t, what will become sin x? Or sin 2x will become what? Sin 2x will become what? 2t by 1 plus t square. If you put tan x is equal to t, sin 2x will become what? 2t by 1 plus t square. Why? Because 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square. What about cos t? Cos 2x? Cos 2x will become 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. What about dx? Dx will become by 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This you know, board exam you have learnt all this, by hearted all this. I know very well. Okay, such questions you have by hearted all this. This is useful here also. Remember, so for sin 2x you put that value, cos 2x you put that value, you will get the answer. You will get the answer very easily. So if they give double angle formula, take tan x is equal to 2. That is double angle formula means if they have given 1 by a plus b sin 2x, here you take what? Tan x is equal to what? T. If they give integral of 1 by a plus b, instead of sin 2x, if they give sin x, tan x by 2 is equal to t. Tan x by 2 is equal to t, then everything will become the what? Sin x is equal to 2t by, this will remain same. Instead of taking sin 2x, you will take what? Sin x. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Everything will remain same. But you have to take what? Tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, understanding? Sirisha? Shravani, understanding? Sravanti, Kritika, Vaishnavi, Sharan, Harsha, Nikhil and Nishit. Understanding? So if it is double, you take single. If it is single, take double, half. If it is single, you take half. But here what you are writing, sin 2x or sin x, cos 2x or cos x, dx will remain the same. The values 2t by 1 plus t square only, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square only, 2 dt by 1 plus t square only. It will not change. It will not change. Clear? Now, this is one thing. Now, if they have given in terms of quadratic, that is 1 by a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c cos x sin x, that is sin cos, or 1 by a plus b sin square x, or integral of 1 by a plus b cos square x, or combination of all this, a cos square x plus b sin square x plus constant, okay, this one whole square dx. Maximum they will give this type or this type or this type. This is very rare. Okay, that time what you should do, when they give like this, that time what you should do, divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square x. Clear? Divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square x. This is very important to remember. Okay. See, maximum they will ask the previous two cases only. Sometimes they will ask this also. Okay. So you have to do what? Divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square x. Okay. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. We will do some question based on this. Let me look for the question. Okay. Cos square x, and then take tan x is equal to what? T. Okay. Then take tan x is equal to what? T. Just let me look at the question. Write down everyone. Understood? See, here you should be careful. Suppose in the question they have given cos square x, you will divide by cos square x, sin square x, you will divide by sin square x. But if they have given cos square 2x, sin square 2x, cos 2x, sin 2x, that time you will divide by cos square 2x. If it is single, you will divide by single. If it is double, you will divide by double. If it is half, you will divide by half. If it is, here it is given a cos square x by 2 plus b sin square x by 2, you will divide by cos square x by 2 only. Okay. So here it is straightforward. What? Doubt? Okay, so if it is linear, that is single, you will divide by single, half you will divide by half, double means you will divide by double. Okay, clear? This one you make a note, please make a note. Okay, so now let us have a look at the question that they have asked. Okay, this is the question. What is this? Not this one, we will do this also. Before this, we will do. Okay, look at this, what they have given. So integral of dx 1 by 9 cos square 2x plus 16 sin square 2x dx. So this is of which form? The previous form which I told you. This is what? Integral of 1 by, what is this? A cos square 2x plus b sin square 2x. Correct na? Such type means we should take what? Divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square 2x, and take what? Tan x is equal to t. But here it is double means you should take what? Tan 2x. Tan 2x is equal to t. Tan 2x is equal to t. See here, don't forget this one. The formula or in the trick we are having this one also. All of you please observe this. Here, if it is single, divide by single, take single, tan x is equal to 2. If it is double, divide by cos square 2x and take tan 2x is equal to 2. If it is half, divide by cos square x by 2, you take tan x by 2 is equal to t. Only for this form. Clear? Now let us go back to the question. Please write down the question also. So what they have given? Just write the question, not the options. So see here they have given integral of dx by 9 cos square 2x plus 16 sin square 2x. You have to divide by what? Numerator and denominator by? Divide by cos square 2x. Let me write the steps. If I divide numerator by cos square 2x, I will get what? Secant square 2x. Correct? No? If I divide numerator by cos square 2x, I will get secant square 2x. So this will become secant square 2x. I am writing directly. Understood Srinidhi, Liharika, Akshay? Why I am getting secant square 2x? Divide, because I am dividing by cos square 2x. 1 by cos is secant. So this if I divide, Siri, what will happen? Cos square 2x by cos square 2x will be 1. So this will become 9 plus sin square 2x plus cos square 2x is what? Tan square 2x plus 16 tan square 2x. 16 tan square 2x. Okay, 16 tan square 2x. Now we are having this tan square 2x dx. Just wait. Now what we will do is, what we should do is in this step, you have to take 16 outside. You have to take 16 outside. If you are taking 16 outside, here I have to divide by 16 na? Okay, so this will become what? 1 by 16 into integral of secant square 2x. Sanvi, understanding? Secant square 2x by 9 by 16 plus tan square 2x. Tan square 2x. Now I should take tan 2x is equal to t. I should take what t? Tan 2x is equal to t. If I take t is equal to tan 2x, dt will become what? Dt will become what? 2 secant square 2x. Good. So this will become what? 2 secant square 2x dx. So we are having what here? Secant square 2x dx. I don't want 2. I will bring this 2 down. So this will be what? Secant square 2x dx. Correct na? Secant square 2x dx. So this will be what? 2 by 16. 2 by 16 means I can write it as what? Or let me write it, not 2 by 16, it is 16 by into 2. So don't get confused. So this will become what? Dt dx will be secant square 2x dx is what? Dt by 2. So this will be, numerator will be dt 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 16 is what? 1 by 32 into this is what? 9 by 16 I can write it as what? 3 by 4 whole square. 3 by 4 whole square plus t square. 3 t square. So this is what? 1 by a square plus t square is what? 1 by a. 1 by a. 1 by a tan inverse of t by a. Tan inverse of t by a. So this will be what? 1 by 32. This is not 3 square, 32. 1 by 32 into what is this? 1 by a. 1 by a means what? 1 by 3 by 4. That will become what? 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. Understood why 4 by 3 it will become? Navneeta, Srinidhi, Sharan, why it will become Harsha, Nishit? So it will flip. 1 by this means it will become a. So 4 by 3 into tan inverse of t by a. Tan inverse of t by a. A is what? 3 by 4. I can make it as 4 by 3. 4t by 3 plus c. 4t by 3 plus c. So this will be what? 4 1s are 4 8s are 8 3s are 24 we are having. Correct no? 8 3s are 24. So 8 3s are 24, 1 by 24, tan inverse of 4 into tan 2x by 3 plus c. Which option? Fourth option. Correct na? Fourth option is the right answer. Clear? Understood everyone? Fourth option is the right answer. Understood? Any doubt? See, first what you should do, here double angle is there, so you have to divide by double angle of cos square x. So that is what? Cos square 2x. So you will get secant square 2x to the top, and denominator you will get some constant value plus tan square 2x. Okay. So you have to take common. You have to make the coefficient of tan square as what? 1. Coefficient of tan square you should always make it as what? 1. Be it tan square x by 2, tan square 2x or tan square 3x, whatever it is. You have to make that coefficient as 1. That means what? I have to remove 16 outside. If I remove 16 outside, this will become what? 9 by 16. So you will get it of the form 1 by a square plus x square. That is what? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. That way you will be able to solve. Clear? Understood? You will be able to solve. Understood this form? Sai Kirti got it? This one? Ritika understood? You? Bhavani got it? No? So these questions they will be asking more. These type of questions. Tan inverse formula based questions they are asking more. So please make a note of it. Okay. Now before going to the PYQs, see here, let us go to one more form. If they are given, see here, if they are given, integral is a form I is equal to integral of what is this? A into e power x plus b into e power minus x by c into e power x plus d into e power minus x dx. Okay, this is one form. And similar to this, if they are given, see here, a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x. Okay, this is what they are given. Okay, linear by linear if they give. Okay, you have already done this in your board exams. You will write numerator is equal to a times a into denominator by plus b into d by dx of denominator. After that you will write it like this, and you will use a value, b value you will get, you will use partial fraction and do. Correct na? But here you don't have to do all that. Here you have to find out what? Only a and b. Then you will use what? You will use the logic, that is the answer is ax plus b into log of denominator plus c, log of mod denominator plus c. Okay, make a note of it. Make a note of it. Same thing goes for here also. See, first write down this and then next one I will tell you. Sanvi getting it? Narsimha Rao, Sanvi. Am I going first? Understood these concepts, whatever we did today? So we started with the revision of the previous concepts what we did, and then what did we do? What are the new things we learned? That is linear by linear and quadratic, quadratic and quadratic, and linear and linear. If it is linear and quadratic, you should take what? Px plus q is equal to? Px plus q is equal to what? T. Okay, Px plus q is equal to what? T or 1 by T? Just check once. Px plus q you will take it as 1 by T. If it is quadratic and quadratic, what you will do? X is equal to 1 by T. Otherwise, there Px plus q is equal to what? Linear and what is quadratic means? Px plus q is equal to what you will do? Linear and quadratic, what you will do? 1 by T. If it is linear and linear, you will take what? T square. Px plus q is equal to T square. Next, what is the form? Integral of 1 by x to the power of n into x power n plus 1 to the power of 1 by n. That is one form. For that, what is the answer? 1 plus 1 by x power n to the power of n minus 1 by n divided by 1 minus n. That's all. Next is another form, you can get it, that is integral of 1 by x into x power n plus 1. Here what you should do? Highest power you should take it outside along with the square root or cube root or whatever. That's it. Next is what we learned, that is when it comes to constants with trigonometric. Okay, so first what you should do? Constants with trigonometric, there we have to divide. Okay, you have to put t is equal to what? tan x. If it is single, you will take, okay, if it is what you will do, if it is double, what you will do? You will take double. If it is double means you will take tan x. Okay, if it is single means you will do what? Tan x by 2. Okay, but if it is having quadratic, cos square x, sin square x, then you will take what? Sin 2x means cos square 2x. Okay, if it is sin x means or cos x means you will take it as what? Cos square, see, 2x, 2x when it is quadratic. Okay, cos square x, sin square x, divide by cos square x. Cos square 2x, sin square 2x, divide by cos square 2x. Okay, cos square x by 2, sin square x by 2, divide by cos square x by 2. But tan x by, whenever it is direct, tan x is t. If it is double angle, tan 2x is t. If it is half angle, tan x by 2 is t. That's all we will discuss. Now this form, see here, if you are getting integral of a into e power x plus b into e power minus x, c into e power x plus d into e power minus x, that time numerator will write it as what? A into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator, which you know. After this you will find the value of a and b, you will use what? Partial fraction and do. But here you will not be using partial fraction. Actually you will not even do integration here. Here what you will do is you will write it as directly a into x plus b into log of denominator mod denominator plus c. Here what you should do, you have to find the values of a and b. So first for that you have to do just this one and you will equate the coefficients. You will equate the coefficients and find the value of a and b. That's all. Nothing much to be done. Here you don't have to do the what? Integration at all. Okay. First let me show the question. I know you are writing it down. First let me show the question. Let me show the question to you so you will be able to do it. So this is of which type? Linear by linear if you get, or exponential. Okay, look at this question. 2024 they have given such question. Integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by cos 3x plus 2 sin 3x. So what we can take, numerator is equal to, numerator is what here? 2 cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x is equal to, what is this? A into denominator. A into denominator is what? Cos 3x plus 2 sin 3x plus, what is this? B into derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator is what? Minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x. Correct? No? Now what you will do is cos 3x if you see. See here cos 3x if you talk about, just observe here. Okay. So see here a into cos 3x. Correct? Na? A into cos 3x, here it is what? B into 6 cos 3x. So we are having cos 3x coefficients are what? Cos 3x coefficients is 2. See, let me multiply, then you will not have any confusion. A into cos 3x plus 2a into sin 3x. Next minus b into minus 3b into sin 3x plus 6b into cos 3x. Now you look at cos 3x. Okay, cos 3x if you see, the coefficients are what? A plus 6b. If you look only at cos 3x, here it is what? 2. A plus 6b is equal to what? 2. A plus 6b is equal to 2. Now look at sin 3x. Sin 3x is what? Sin 3x is here. This is what? 2a. Yeah, please leave. So 2a minus 3b. So 2a minus 3b is equal to what here? Minus 3. 2a minus 3b is equal to minus 3. See, take cos x and sin x. Cos 3x if you see, cos 3x, Harsha focus here, cos 3x, here also cos 3x. These two will be equal to a plus 6b. Only cos 3x you see. A plus 6b is equal to 2. Now look at sin 3x. A plus 6b is equal to 2 we got. Now look at sin 3x. Sin 3x is what? 2a minus 3b in the RHS. LHS it is what? Minus 3. So 2a minus 3b is equal to what? Minus 3. Now we have to solve this. Just solve this linear equation. We will get a and b. If I solve this, so let me multiply this by 2. So this will become what? So 2a plus 12b is equal to 4. This is 2a, not minus this. There is no minus here. Okay, this is plus 2a only. Just I have written 2a minus 3b is equal to minus 3. So this will if cancel, This will be what? 15b. 15b is equal to what? 15b is equal to what? 7. So b is equal to what? 7 by 15. See here they have given log of, I should get what? Log of denominator. Log of denominator is what? Log of denominator is what? Cos 3x plus 2 sin 3x. Cos 3x plus 2 sin 3x, everywhere it is given the same. Cos 3x plus 2 sin 3x. This is ax. What is the form we should write? Ax plus b times log denominator plus c. B times log. B times log means b is what should the value? 7 by 15. 7 by 15, where is the answer? First option. That is the answer. First option. That is the answer. Did you integrate here? Nothing integration. Suppose you want to find what is that? A. Suppose you want to find a. What we can do here? So a plus what is this? 6 into b is what? 7 by 15 into this is 2. So this is what? 3 2s are 3 5s are. Okay. This will be what? A will be equal to 2 minus 7 2s are 14. 14 by 5. 14 by 5. So this will be what? A will be 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 by 5. So a will be minus 4 by 5. So this will be what? Minus 4 by 5x. B is what? 7 by 15 log of denominator. So see here minus 4 by 5x. We got it. Minus 4 by 5x we got it. Understood na? This is the way you have to solve this question. Understood everyone? So the actual form is what? Ax plus b log of denominator plus c. But you will write numerator as what? A into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. Okay. Then equate the coefficients and you will get the answer of value of a and b. Here the only thing that you have to do is find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. There is no integration at all. Here you have to find the value of what? A and b. Otherwise if you go for integration, you have to do integration by partial fraction. That will be taking a lot of time. Instead of this, do this method. Understood everyone? Clear? Okay. Now let us go to the question having e power x. I told now e power x also we can do. So see here, let us go to the question having e power x. Look at this. They have given if integral of 4 into e power x, write down the question at least. 4 into e power x plus 6 into e power minus x by 9 into e power x minus 4 into e power minus x is equal to, they have only given the trick, ax into b of log of denominator. Denominator, observe here carefully. What we are having the denominator? 9 into e power x minus 4 into e power minus x. But here we are having this. What you may think? You may think it is printing mistake. No, it is not printing mistake. So see here, 9 into e power x minus 4 into e power minus x should be there. But here they have given 9 into e power 2x minus 4. So that means what? What they have done here is, here 9 into e power x minus 4 into e power minus x, like you told, it is correct. What we can do? 9 into e power x divided by minus 4 e power minus x, if I bring it down, this will become e power x. Okay, so this will become what? If I take LCM, e power 2x. So this will become 9 into e power 2x. Okay, e power 2x minus 4 by e power x will be there. E power x will be there means this will go up. Correct na? E power x will go up, or what will this become? It will remain as it is. Okay, so denominator will become like this. Denominator will become like this. So we can make this as what? So see here. So this will become integral of, this will become e power x will be remaining. This will go up. This will go up means what we will be having? This e power x will go up means 4 e power x into e power x, that is what? E power 2x. E power x plus 6. E power minus x plus x is what? 6. Why? This denominator will have e power 2x. This will come down. This will be e power x. This will go up. This will means e power 2x. E power x plus x means this will become what? E power 0, that is 1. So this will become 6. So this will become 4 into e power 2x plus 6 divided by what is this? 9 into e power 2x minus 4 we will be having. Now you take numerator is equal to what is this? A into denominator plus d by dx into denominator. So e 4 into e power 2x plus 6 is equal to a into what is this? Denominator is what? 9 into e power 2x minus 4 plus b into d by dx of denominator. D by dx of denominator is what? 9 into e power 2x is 18 e power 2x. 18 e power 2x minus 4y, that is 0. Okay. Now let us take the coefficients. Let us take the coefficients e power 2x. Okay, let us multiply. We are having got 4 into e power 2x plus 6 is equal to, what is this, a into 9 into e power 2x minus 4a plus b 18b into what, e power 2x, e power 2x. Okay. Now what is this, a few coefficients of this one, coefficients of e power 2x is what, 9a minus 18b. e power 2x is what, look at e power 2x and constant. So this is what, e power 2x. If we talk about e power 2x, what is this, 9a plus 18b is equal to what, 4. Okay, it is what, 4. If you look at constant value is what, 6. This is what, minus 4a is equal to what, 6. Yes, minus 4a is equal to what, 6. So a is equal to what, minus 3 by 2. A is equal to what, minus 3 by 2. Which option is having a is equal to minus 3 by 2? This is there and this is also there. Correct now? That means these two options are eliminated. These two options are eliminated. Now I have to look for the value of b. Correct now? I have to look for the value of b. So we got a is equal to minus 3 by 2. So what about this one? If I put a is equal to minus 3 by 2, this will become what? Minus 27 by 2 plus 18b is equal to 4. Okay, or plus 18b is equal to 4. This will become what? Minus 27 plus 36b is equal to 8. Okay, 36b is equal to 35. 36b is equal to what? 35. b is equal to 35 by 36. So which is the option? This option. Okay, understood? See here, directly they have not given, they have modified something. So we will also modify and we will get the answer. So same thing we have to do, a and b we have to get it. Understanding, Nikhil, Nishit? Please write down this solution, important. Please write down this solution, important. Okay, from where you will start? From here. From here you will start, then this. Okay. See, actually you have to start from here. This is first, this is second, okay, this is third step, and this is fourth step. Okay. This is first step, second step, third step, and fourth step. Okay. You should write it like this. Understood? Please write down the question first, all of you. Understanding, everyone? Siri, understanding? Gayatri, okay, understanding how to solve this type of questions? Harsha? Liharika, Srinidhi, Akshaya, understanding this? See, same model you will be getting in the examination. So you should practice this. At least 2 times practice this. I mean, at least observe this one, then you practice without seeing. Okay. So in the next test you may have such type of questions or same question. You should be able to do. Okay, clear? Why we give same or similar? Because same type you will be getting in the examination. Written, everyone please do it fast. We have to do some questions also. Okay. Any doubt? Siri, are you okay? Okay. Tomorrow we have to start with definite integration, but before that some more question on indefinite integration we will do, and then we will go to definite integration. Okay. Please look at this question, all of you. Okay. So, they have given if d by dx, or if in the study, or if you can complete the questions, we will go to definite integration directly tomorrow. So, if they have given if d by dx of 1 plus x square plus x power 4 by 1 plus x into x power 2 is equal to ax plus b. They have only given derivative, they are not asking anything about integration, is equal to ax plus b, then they are asking a comma b. Okay, d by dx of this. Now, one thing you remember, see here, they have given 1 plus x square plus x power 4. 1 plus x square plus x power 4. Okay. So, what you can write this as, this you can write it as, see here, x power 4, I can write it like this. First let me write it like this, this one let me write it x, this one can be written as what, this one can be written as x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Okay, x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So, this can be written as, see here, x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1, this can be written as what, x power 4 plus x square plus 1 can be written as what, x square plus x plus 1, and it can also be written as x square minus x plus 1. Okay, x square minus x plus 1. Please make a note of it, this is important. Please make a note of it. Numerous times they have asked this type of question. So, 2024 AP they have asked x power 4 plus x square plus x plus 1 can be written as what, x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. Okay, got it. Now, instead of this, what I can write, this same thing I can substitute the value here, correct now Nikhil? So, this will become what, d by dx of, what is this we are having, x square plus x plus 1 into what is this, x square minus x plus 1 divided by what, x square plus x plus 1, same thing we are having here, correct no? We are having same thing here, x square plus x plus 1 here. I can do what, this and this I can cancel, this and this I can cancel. Now, I am left with what, d by dx of x square minus x plus 1. d by dx of x square minus x plus 1 is what, 2x minus 1. This is equal to what, ax plus b. So, a is equal to what here, 2, b is equal to what, minus 1. The answer is what, a comma b is what, 2 comma minus 1. Which option? Third option. Simple. Understood? Otherwise also you can find out what you should do, u by v rule we have to apply. U by v rule you will apply, that will take lot of time. Okay. So, they give questions based on how to simplify. Okay, they wanted to solve it like this, not u by v rule. Okay. Understood this one? Of course, this is a question on differentiation, but you should know this. Clear? Understood everyone? So, this one can be written like this. Understood Sai Kirti? Focusing? Okay, done. Then a comma b can be written as what? 2 comma minus 1. Look at this. They were given sin power 6x by cos power 8x dx. All of you try by yourself. What we can do here? So, this I can write as what? Sin power 6x by cos power 6x into cos square x dx. Sin power 6x by cos power 6x is what? Tan power 6x. Tan power 6x, cos square 1 by cos square is what? Secant square x dx. See here, this is what? F of x power n x into f dash of x, f of n power n plus 1, f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is what? Tan power 7 x by 7 plus c. That is second option. Understood na? 2024 they have asked such questions. Understood? Simple. Next they can ask in terms of cot. This one, we have solved this. How to do this? Try all of you. E power x into polynomial is given. E power x into polynomial, write it as it is. Then you go on differentiating. So, this will write it as what? E power x into x plus 1 whole square minus 2 into x plus 1, okay, plus what is it? 1 na plus 2 correct na, plus 2 it will be. Derivative of 2x is what? 2. That's all is the answer. So further simplify it, e power x plus 1 whole square is what? X square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 cancel, plus 2x minus 2x cancel, we'll have e power x into x square plus 1 plus c. So that is third option. Simple, directly by this one we will be able to solve. This one, see here, x cube tan inverse of x power 4 1 plus x power 8. I have told you, whenever substitution you have to do, whenever inverse function is there, take that substitution. So t I can take it as what? Tan inverse of x power 4. Tan inverse of x power 4 I can take it as t. So here t is equal to what? Tan inverse of x power 4. So dt will become what? Tan inverse of x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. This will become what? 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square. Okay, derivative x square should also be done. Chain rule, x power 4 this become 4x cube dx. Okay, I am having x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. That is what x power 4 whole square is x power 8. Let me write one more step. So this will be dt by 4 into x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. Okay, so this entire thing along with this will become what? dt by 4. So that will become integral of dt by 4 1 by 4. Okay, this I took it as what? Tan inverse of 8 I took it as t. So this will become t square by 2 into what is this? I can write it as t square by 4 into 2 plus c. Correct? No, t square is what? Tan inverse of x power 4 whole square by what is this? 4 into 2 is what? 8 plus c. Which option? Tan inverse of x to power 4 whole square. That is first option. Very simple, first option. Clear? Understood everyone? We can take this what? Substitution. Tan inverse of x we can take it as t. Clear? Okay. Now look at this question. They are given if f of x is equal to integral of x square plus 2 dx, integral of x square plus 2 dx, and f of root 2 is equal to 0, then f of 0 is equal to what? So first let us find the integral of this. 1 by what is this? 2 plus x square is given. 1 by 2 plus x square is given. Or I can write this as what? 1 by a square plus x square form. 1 by a square plus x square form. This is what? 1 by root 2 whole square plus x square dx. That is what? 1 by a. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a is what? 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of x by root 2. This is what? F of x. This is f of x. They are asking f of root 2. F of root 2 they are telling it as 0. So wherever x is there, let us put 0. So f of root 2 is equal to what? 0. F of root 2 is what? 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of root 2 by root 2 is what? Tan inverse of 1. That is 0. Okay. So what they want us to find? Tan inverse f of root 2 is 0. So tan inverse of 1 is? Tan inverse of 1 will be, what is this? Tan inverse of 1 is, see here, tan f of root 2 is 0. F of root 2 is 0. So f of 0 is what they are asking. Tan inverse of 1 means this will be pi by 4 into root 2 is equal to 0. How it is coming? No, it is not possible, this one. Okay, pi by 4 root 2 cannot be equal to 0. Let us, f of 0 is what? F of 0 if I put tan inverse of 0. So f of 0 is what? Tan inverse of 0 will be 0. 1 by 0 into 1 by root 2 is this one. So there is some mistake in the question. I have to look. I have to look. There is something is missing in the question. Okay, we will come back to this question later. We have to have a look at this question. Third option? Why third option? Plus C. Okay, we can take that as plus C also, but still we have to see, wait. Okay, so if you take C, what will happen? C will become equal to 0. Okay, C will become equal to 0. Now you take f of 0. F of 0 is what? C will become equal to what? C will become equal to f of root 2 is 0. So C will also become equal to what? C will also become equal to what is this? So just wait. So if you take, okay, this is indefinite integration means plus C. So f of root 2 is what? This will become, see here, f of root 2 means what we can do here. So f of root 2, the value is what? F of root 2 this is given as what? 0. Now tan inverse 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of root 2 by root 2 is what? Pi by 4. Okay, plus C is equal to 0. So we will take C as what? Minus pi by 4 root 2. Okay. Now f of 0 is what they are asking. F of 0 is what means? So f of 0 is equal to what? 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of what? 0 by root 2. Tan inverse of 0 plus C. So we have to just put the value of C. Okay. So C will be equal to what? See, because this entire thing will become 0. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. 0 into 1 by root 2 is 0. So C will become equal to what? Minus pi by 4 root 2. So that will be third option. That is correct. Clear? Third option. We have to put C because it is indefinite integration. Clear? Next one. This question, see here, e power 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. e power x into 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Make a note of it, copy this question, try by yourself. We will do it in the next class. Okay, you can use the trick or you can use the conventional method, whatever you want you can do. E power x into this one is given. Please make a note of this question. Please make a note of this question. How do you solve this? See, for this question what you can do, what is the method we can follow? Siri, Sai Kirti, Gayatri, Srinidhi, Sharan, what is the method we can follow for this? Okay, boys you can leave, you can try this question by yourself. Boys leave fast, soon. So see here what we can do is e power x, let me separate and divide it 2 by 1 plus cos x, cos 2x, okay, plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x, okay, 2 by 1 plus cos 2x, yeah, leave first. So 1 plus cos 2x can be written as what? 1 plus cos 2 is what? 2 cos square x. So e power x can be written as what? 2 by, what is this? 2 cos square x, 2 cancel, plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. So this is what? Sin 2x can be written as what? 2 sin x cos x divided by 1 plus cos 2x can be written as what? 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x. 2 cancels. So D. What?
1 plus cos 2x plus 2 sin square x.
No. 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is sin. Okay, don't get confused. So this will become what? 2 cancel. Now cos square x is there. Now here cos cancel, this will become what? Sin x by cos x will become what? Tan. 1 by cos square x will become what? Secant. So I can write this out e power x into, what is this? 1 by cos square x, I can write secant square x, this one is tan x. First let me write tan x plus this is what? Secant square x. This is which bracket should come. Secant square x dx, correct. So this is what? E power f of x f dash of x. This is what? E power f of x f dash of x. Okay, dx. So what we can write? E power x f of x plus c. So that is what? This will be e power x tan x plus c. Understood? This is the method. Okay, second option. Clear? Got it? So the trick we will use, but they will not give directly. Marchali. That is, we have to change it to the form. We have to apply the trick. Understood? Understood, everyone? Yes. So fine. Then I will wind up. Let's meet in the tomorrow session. Thank you. What happened?